Hello world, my name is Vince and this is my implementation of CS50W's Project 1 titled Wiki. For the entry page, if we type in a request using this URL, say for example we type in CSS, we should be redirected to that entry's contents page. But if we type in an entry title that does not exist, say for example CS50, we should get an error message. On the index page, all entries are listed down using an ordered list, and clicking on any of these entries will redirect us to their respective contents page. We also have the option to search for an entry using this search bar. For example, if we type in a query that has an exact match, say for example Django, we should be redirected to Django's contents page. If we type in a query that does not have an exact match but is a substring of an existing entry, say for example we type in letter T, we should get the entries that has our query as their substring. In this example, we got Git, HTML, and Python. Clicking on any of these entries will redirect us to their respective contents. If we type in a query that does not have an exact match and is not a substring of any entry that we currently have, say for example type in CS50, we should get an error message saying that there's currently no result. We also have the option to add a new entry to this list by clicking on Create New Page. Here we have the option to enter a title and content. Say for example we add in CS50W and its contents will be CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript, and hit save. We will be redirected to our new entries contents page. But if we create a new page with a title that's already existing, say for example CSS, and let's put in this content style sheet and hit save, we'll be presented with an error message. Also, we can edit the contents of an existing entry by clicking on Edit button. Say for example we want to, in this case, let's try to erase this part and hit save. The change will be immediately reflected upon hitting save. Clicking on this random page button will redirect us to a random entry. If we go to an entry page, you can see that this content is currently in HTML format. However, if we hit edit, the pre-populated text area is currently in Markdown format. Say for example we want these strings to be italicized, you'll just need to enclose it with one asterisk on both ends and hit save. It will be converted to HTML format first before being displayed. Thus, this is the resulting string in italicized format. As you can see here, this is also in bold font style. And if we click edit, the markdown format are this. Hitting save again, it will be converted to HTML format first.